Okay, so welcome back to this course. So today I'm going to be talking about the types of virtual assistant jobs. So dito natin makikita yung different types of virtual assistant jobs. So here it is. So ito yung spreadsheet na ginawa ko guys. Dito natin makikita yung different types of virtual assistant services. Ang dami nito. So I think I'll just mention a few of this so that maintindihan nyo din and you can have your guide kung saan ka ba pwede o saan ka ba mas preferred na mag-work. So when I first started out as a virtual assistant, hindi ko pa talaga alam kung ano yung skills ko. And since the person who invited me with this kind of work is a graphic designer or a graphic designer, so nag-focus din ako sa graphic designing. Though wala talaga akong background sa pag-create ng graphics or drawing or becoming or being a creative na type of a person. So di talaga ako nag-succeed doon. Di talaga ako nag-succeed doon. So when I first heard about this digital marketing, and since I am a marketing graduate, so I started to study sa mga mga skills about digital marketing, and I really fell in love with the concept. So I decided to focus on this na lang, and then I went to YouTube and studied different types of digital marketing jobs, and then eventually after a few months then I landed my first job working as a virtual assistant for, it's not a marketing agency but more of a marketing type of virtual assistant. So here it is guys, ito yung mga different types of virtual assistant jobs. So as you can see, may tinatawag tayo, nakakategorize na yan siya guys. May graphic designer, may digital marketing, may writing. Kung mahilig kang, of course, kung mahilig kang mag-drawing or may mga gusto mo mag-drawing talaga, you can choose on graphic design. Kung gusto mo marketing, you can choose digital marketing. Kung mahilig ka magsulat, you can choose writing and translation. Kung mahilig ka mag-animate or mag-video production, you can use video or animation. Or mahilig ka sa music, you can select this category. Or kung isa kang techie guy, you can choose this one, programming and tech. If you're in the business, you can also use this one. And sa lifestyles na rin, sa others naman to nakakabilong eh. So, isa-isa natin guys. I think sa kaya ko lang i-explain na. So, ang graphic design is basically ito yung mga skills na under sa kanya. Number one is yung game design. So, it's since ngayon uso na yung mga games talaga. So, ang siguro mga main work mo dito is magde-design ka ng mga application, ay hindi, di application, mga design lang ng mga games natin sa mobile app. Dito mo magamit yan. And of course, yung mga graphic for streamers, ikaw ang mag-design dyan. Like sa mga, di ba nakikita nyo dyan sa may mga online games, ang daming nag-stream dyan. So, kailangan nila ng thumbnail, di ba? To catch people's attention. So, kailangan nila ng graphic din. And of course, yung business cards and stationery. If you're going to look for actually guys, I can share this with you. I'm going to share this with you naman. So, or if you want to have a research with this, each type of this skills, pwede mo tong gamitin. You can just simply copy this. Example, if you want to copy game design, you can copy that one and then go to google.com. Google na talaga ang friend natin ngayon guys. So, i-paste mo yun dyan, and ito yung mga game design. And if you try to go to images, ito yung mga example natin. Yeah, so kung marunong kang gumawa niyan, I think kung may background ka naman, so I think you will be under sa category na ano tawag yan, sa graphic designing. So yan, ang dami dyan. So graphics for streamers, business cards. So kung gusto mong malaman about dun sa graphics cards, you can just copy again, and then examples, like lagay mo na lang examples. So ito yun guys. So ang daming mga skills ng mga virtual assistant na gumagawa nito sa mga website. May mga clients kasi na gusto nila nagpagawa ng mga ganito, ng mga designs, or like meron din mga jobs like for ebook cover examples. May mga clients din naghahanap ng mga ebook. So kung marunong ka or may background ka sa Photoshop or any editing photo editing software, then you can apply as a graphic artist, virtual assistant. Yan, ang dami dyan. So, yeah, may mga flyer design, may mga book. Ito yung sabi ko ng mga book covers. Ito yung mga design na kailangan mo. Catalog design, social media design, pwede rin under din sa social media design. So, ito yung under sa graphic design. Digital marketing is more on social media marketing. SEO means search engine optimization. If you want to elaborate this, guys, you can just simply copy this, and then let's say for example video marketing, so i-copy mo dyan and then i-type mo rin ito sa Google, video marketing examples. Of course, since video siya, you can just select this one sa video, and then ang dami nang lalabas dyan, guys. Usually sa YouTube or this one, i-type natin yan sa YouTube, ha. So, ang dami talaga. I-google mo na lang kung ano, kung gusto mo talagang makita yun in details, yung mga nakalagay dito ng mga skills. So, sa digital marketing, I'm actually under this category. So, ang ginagawa ko is social media marketing. Like, gumagawa ka mga ng ads, Facebook ads, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube ads. Under dito sa social media marketing. Any other social media marketing, any skills na under dun sa social media na part, um, sa marketing, ito yung trabaho ko. So, itong trabaho ko, then email marketing, then search engine marketing, marketing strategy, influencer marketing, e-commerce marketing, mobile advertising, web traffic. So, usually, overall, ito talaga yung mga task ko ngayon. So, yan ang under sa digital marketing, and under sa writing and translation, may tinatawag tayo ng mga article writers. So, if you're into writing, then you could probably land a job under this category. So, may mga client kasi nga nag-require sila na to write for them. Maybe may requirement sila like 1,000 to 5,000 word in a single article. So, kailangan nila ng mga ganyan. And then sa technical writing, I mean sa resumes and cover letters, may mga clients kasi na nag-work sa isang agency, and then their service is to make cover letters or resumes to their customers. So you could be a help sa kanila. So then mga translation, mga creative writing, andito na lahat. Sales copy, press releases, of course, transcripts, email copy, and ebook writing. Ang daming mga naghahanap na ngayon ng mga businesses na naghanap sila ng mga tao na mahilig talaga at magaling magsulat. And of course, yun dito sa under sa category na video animation, ito yung pinakapatok ngayon kasi. So, pag nandito ka, under ka dito, is for sure, um, medyo malaki talaga yung sahod mo. Like, kasi nga, ito yung sila, yung mga fixed price to sila eh. Usually, mga fixed price to sila. So, logo animation, so mga video editing, yung mga video editing natin ngayon. So, if you're a video editor or wedding video editor, I think you could be somewhere, you should be landed here sa video and animation na category. So, yan, okay yan. And yung sa YouTube, di ba, marami tayong makikita ng mga lyrics. So, usually, ang naggumagawa ng mga trabaho dyan is mga virtual assistants din. So, pwede mo tong gawa ng yung mga music video, gawa mo ng lyrics, yung mga ganyan, mga visual effects, animation for kids, game trailers, so yan, product photography. So, yun, ang mga under yan sa video animation. And then, if you're a musician, you can, kung may talent ka rin sa pag voiceover, you can also land a job here. And of course, mixing and mastering. Kung mahilig ka mag-mix ng mga music or mga audio files, then you can be under this category as well. Producer, singing, of course, singer ka. May mga tao din, may mga clients din na naghahanap ng mga singers na parang mag-back up lang sa kanilang mga voice. You can also be an assistant sa podcast ng mga episodes natin sa mga clients, and you can be a sound tech guy. And sa programming in tech is dito mo rin makikita yung mga job like the WordPress developing, yung mga WordPress development, yung mga mag-handle ka ng mga websites. So, it's under here sa programming in tech. Sa e-commerce, yan, under yan sila. So, if you want to know more about this, you can just simply copy this and then just Google it para maintindihan mo. Example, this one, chatbot. So, you can just simply Google it and then ano bang ibig sabihin ng chatbot? Meaning a software application used to conduct an online chat. So, Sa mga developers, sila yun din ang develop din ng mga strategies na or mga techniques on how to make these chatbots success din. So data analysis, reports, so under din sa programming and tech. Sa mga virtual assistant is dito tayo under din sa virtual assistant kasi nga yung sa mga virtual assistant is under natin is mga data entry, market research, product research, business plans. Kung marunong kang gumawa ng business plans, pwede mo matulungan ng mga client mo, branding services, yan, yan. So, ang dami talaga. So, lead generation din. So, if you want to know more, you can just simply, again, copy and paste it to Google, and this one is others naman to. So, online lessons sa mga assistants. So, basically guys, ito yung mga different jobs sa mga online freelancers. So, if you're interested naman kung saan mo, kung feel mo kung saan ka magagamit ng client mo, then you should focus on it. And sa akin kasi nag-start ako since yung kaya nga yung friend ko nga since graphic designer siya. So gusto ko rin maging graphic designer, which is a bad move for me kasi nga wala din akong background sa when it comes to, designing and whatnot. So for you as a start, since wala ka, kung hindi mo pa alam kung ano bang dapat na gawin mo or dapat mong i-focus na mga skill sets, I think you should follow kung saan yung passion mo, and then just go for it. And then if you're a natural writer, then study these parts here, study these skills here, and I do believe pag may study mo yan lahat, makalaan ka talaga ng client sa online jobs. If you don't know kung ano bang talaga yung skills mo, simply just research about this, each of this, and then if you think that you can do this work, you focus on it, I know na maging expert ka rin sometime. Right? So, I think this is it for this episode, and I hope na marami kayong natutunan nito. So, I'll be sharing this to you guys sa description. And, yeah, so if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me. Alright, so thank you guys, and see you on the next video.